Hi guys, today's video, we're going to check out the 5 best metal detector on the market. This list was made based on our personal views and are listed based on rating, review, orders, price, quality, durability, and more. To see prices and get more info about the products shown, be sure to check out the description below. One last thing, before we dive in, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell to get the latest product reviews video from the channel. Okay, so let's get started with today's video. Number 5. Tanxunze TC600 Metal Detector. The TC600 underground metal detector is a professional metal detector that is specially designed for treasure hunting, mining, and other types of extreme metal detecting. The metal detector has a relatively high frequency of 19.2 kHz and an adjustable sensitivity range that provides for better search performance. It has an optimized frequency control system and an intelligent beat frequency oscillator. The LCD screen displays a variety of parameters including frequency, sensitivity, and battery life. Number 4. Smart Sensor AR944M Metal Detector. This Smart Sensor AR944M metal detector is the perfect tool for treasure hunters and researchers with its perfect design and easy-to-use features. With 1200 mAh lithium battery and waterproof design, this metal detector can detect metal objects under ground depth of 1.8 meters. Fully functional when the battery was fully charged, you can use this metal detector to search for gold, fossils, and more. Number 3. TIANLILONG GTX4030 Metal Detector. If you love hunting for gold and other jewelry, this is the machine for you. With its advanced microprocessor, the GTX 4030 is designed specially to detect and locate buried metals. The GTX 4030 is a handheld and lightweight metal detector allowing you to find more treasure in a shorter time. It is a great tool for both experienced people and beginners alike. Ideal for detecting metals in urban and rural areas, Treasure Hunter Metal Detector is sure to help you find all the treasures you want. Number 2. TIANXUN TX850 Metal Detector. The TIANXUN TX850 is a handheld metal detector with a searchable area of 2.5 meters, so it is ideal for large or small items. Detecting can also be used in water, with the waterproof ability of up to 300 meters. The search mode can be switched to all metal, discriminate and iron search modes, enabling the user to detect different objects. It is the perfect device for detecting objects in water, the beach, or when searching in garages and basements. If a high sensitivity is needed, you can switch to the pinpoint mode. It is easy to use for all ages and can be used by beginners. With a built-in battery that lasts for approximately 10 to 12 hours, the 3x5.5x5.5 cm detector weighs only 0.8 ounces and can be easily stored in a backpack or purse. Number 1. Tanxunze TC800 Metal Detector. Tanxunze TC800 Metal Detector is a latest professional machine for detecting small gold nuggets and black sand. It can be used in the search of gold and other precious metals, as well as for archaeology and mineral exploration, etc. It can also be used in beach search for items such as coins, jewelry, weapons and other cultural relics. This metal detector can be used both in the dry or wet well. It is applicable to the search of gold and other precious metals, in the search of buried cultural relics, in the search of stones, minerals and other materials. The metal detector can be used not only in the beach search for items such as coins, jewelry, weapons and other cultural relics, but also for the search of underground tunnels, the search of mineral ore and the search of geological data and geological structure. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe this channel to get the latest product reviews video from the channel.